ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, today in 15th group MCQ questions, multiple choice questions in level 1 from our material. In level 1, what is the first question? The metalloid of nitrogen family is. You know, here given optional nitrogen, arsenic, phosphorus, bismuth. You know that nitrogen, phosphorus are non-metals. Bismuth is a pure metal. Arsenic and some antimony has a metalloid nature. Arsenic is metalloid nature. Antimony also some metallic character. So what we call nitrogen, phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic is metalloid. Stibinium also called metalloid, but compared to arsenic, this is some metallic character, more metallic character. Bismuth is pure metal. So he want in first question a metalloid of nitrogen family. 4 options are given. So better option is second one. This is the answer. That is the first question. The second question, the element having the higher boiling point is same optionals. Higher boiling point, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. We know that boiling point value, BP value, increases from nitrogen to bismuth. Boiling point value increases from nitrogen to bismuth. So which is more boiling point value? Bismuth is more boiling point value. That is second question. Third one, phosphides has an electronic structure similar to that of chloride ions. Fourth question, the most reactive form of phosphorus is, already you know that phosphorus has allotrophies. What are they? White phosphorus, red phosphorus, white phosphorus, red phosphorus, alpha black phosphorus, beta black phosphorus. Phosphorus has a and a violet phosphorus, violet phosphorus and so on. Phosphorus has a allotrophies. White phosphorus, red phosphorus, alpha black phosphorus, beta black phosphorus, violet phosphorus and so on. In these phosphorus, which is more reactivity? White phosphorus is the more reactivity compared to remaining elements. So here what is the question? The most reactive form of phosphorus is white, red, black, scarlet. So which is the highest reactivity? White phosphorus. Next, which is oxidizer in air? This white phosphorus has a oxidizer property with air. Next question, which of the following exists as a monoatomic state? So 5A group elements. In 5A group elements, which is the monoatomic state? Means its atomicity is 1. You know that 5A group elements, question number 6. 5A group elements, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. In nitrogen family, nitrogen atomicity is 2. These 3 elements atomicity is 4. Bismuth is monoatom. So which is the monoatomicity property? bismuth. Bismuth is the monoatomicity property. Nitrogen diatomicity. Remain 3 tetraatomicity. What is atomicity? The number of atoms in a molecule is called atomicity. In this molecule number of atoms 2. This is 4. This is 4. This is 4. Bismuth is 1. So it is the atomicity is nitrogen is 2. Phosphorus, arsenic, antimony are 4. Bismuth is monoatom. So in your given question, atomicity 1 is possible only in bismuth. That is the another question, 6th one. Next one is 7th question. Which property of white phosphorus is common to red phosphorus? White phosphorus is converted as red phosphorus by burning. White phosphorus is converted as red phosphorus by burning. Burning, they converted as a red phosphorus. White phosphorus is converted into red phosphorus by burning. Malli madhyalo disturbance. So white phosphorus, 7th question. White phosphorus is converted as a red phosphorus by burning. By the burning. Next, so 6th question is converted as a red phosphorus. Next one, 8th question in this. Oxidation state of +3 of phosphorus is found is +3 oxidation state when it is possible. 8th question. Phosphorus oxo acids, we know that phosphorus oxo acids. Phosphorus oxo acids are many. Phosphorus oxo acids are many. They are phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid, phosphoric acid. So given is +3 state possible in which condition? Question number 8. First option is given H3PO3. H3PO3. So 3 hydrogen 3 into +1 plus phosphorus X 3 into oxygen -2 is equal 0. 3 plus X minus 6 is equal 0. X is equal +3. So H3PO3 is the +3 oxidation state. H3PO3. This is the first optional. Second option is given as H3PO4. So in this 3 into hydrogen +1 phosphorus X 4 into oxygen -2 is equal 0. 3 plus X minus 8 is equal 0. X is equal +5. He want the +3. Here only +3. This is not +3 +5. Third optional. Same H3PO2. Third optional H3PO2. Hydrogen 3 into +1 phosphorus X 2 into oxygen -2 is equal 0. 3 plus X minus 4 is equal 0. X is equal +1. X is equal +1. So not +3 oxidation state. The fourth optional is H4P2O7 phosphorus 4 into hydrogen +1 2 phosphorus 2x 7 into -2 is equal 0. 4 plus 2x minus 14 is equal 0. 2x is equal 10. X is equal +5. So what he want in your question number 8? Oxidation state of +3 of phosphorus is found in. So H3PO3 is +3. So this is correct. H3PO4 wrong because +5. H3PO2 is wrong because +1. H4P2O7 is wrong because it is +5. So answer is H3PO3. That is the 8th question. Next one, 9th question, list out question. Match the following. Correct match. So list 1 and list 2 are given. List 1 and list 2 are given. So match the following. Question number 9 in level 1. In level 1, question number 9. List 1. List 2. List 1, list 2. So first one, A, HNO3. B, ammonium nitrate, H4NO3. C, N3H. This is N3H. 4, H3PO3. List 2. First one, +3, -5 oxidation numbers. Oxidation state he called. Second one, -1/3 oxidation state. Third one, +5 oxidation state. Fourth one, +3 oxidation state. Fifth one, +1/3 oxidation state. Match the following. Question number 9. Match the following. First one is HNO3. In HNO3, what is the nitrogen oxidation number? We know the method HNO3. Hydrogen standard oxidation number 1, nitrogen X, 3 into oxygen -2 is equal to 0. 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to +5. So, in this nitrogen oxidation number is +5. First one answer. So, second one, B. Ammonium nitrate. You know that in first year stoichiometry also this compound. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is decomposed as ammonium ion and nitrate ion. It is decomposed as ammonium ion and nitrate ion. In ammonium ion, NH4 plus, nitrogen is X, 4 into hydrogen plus 1 is equal to above plus 1. X is equal to -3. In ammonium nitrate ion, nitrogen is X, 3 into oxygen -2 is equal to -1. You know this is a +1, so is equal to +1. This is a -1, so is equal to -1. So X minus 6 is equal to -1. X is equal to +5. This is -3. So remember that here ammonium nitrate, one ammonia is -3, ammonium ion is -3, nitrate is +5. So possible +3 -5. +3 -5. +3 -5. Not possible. Optionals. Ones. -3 +5. Here only mistake. -3 +5. So first optional is correct. Next one is third one. C. C is hydrozoic acid. C. Hydrozoic acid formula we know that N3H. In N3H, 3 into nitrogen X plus hydrogen 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to -1. X is equal to -1/3. -1/3. So N3H is -1/3. Next one, fourth one. Fourth one is H3PO4. This one, H3PO4. In H3PO4, phosphorus oxidation number. PO4, phosphorus oxidation number. PO 3, not 4. 3 into hydrogen plus 1 plus X. 3 into oxygen -2 is equal to 0. 3 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to +3. X is equal to +3. So where +3 is possible here. So remember that A answer is 3. A answer is 3. And B answer is 1. C answer is 2. And this is D. D answer is 4. Possible answer. So A answer is 3, B answer is 1, C answer is 2, D answer is 4. That is the question number 9. Match the following question. Match the following question. Next question is question number 10. The stable oxidation state of bismuth is. Question number 10. The stable oxidation state of bismuth is. Bismuth is belongs to, we know that our topic, 15th group elements. Bismuth belongs to 15th group elements. Belongs to 15th group elements. In 15th group elements has mainly two types of oxidation number or 3 types of oxidation number. You know that. Question number, that is 10. 15th group elements has +3, -3, +5 common oxidation number. Generally possible oxidation positive is +3 and +5. We know that nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Above elements has +5 more stable, below elements has +3 more stable. Because of the reason inert pair effect, we know that. Inert pair effect. Inert pair effect. It is also in our first year 3A group elements, that is boron family. There are 2 oxidation numbers in that, top to bottom. Higher oxidation number stability decreases, lower oxidation number stability is increases. So bismuth in +3 and +5, bismuth +3 is more stable than bismuth +5. Reason is inert pair effect. So answer is 10th question answer. The stable oxidation state of bismuth is +3 only. Is +3 only. Next question, 11th question. Fixation of nitrogen means. Fixation of nitrogen means conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds. That is called fixation of nitrogen. That is 11th question. Next one, 12th question. Non-combustible hydride is. Given hydrides are phosphine, stibine, ammonia, arsine. So we know that ammonia is a non-toxic, remain all are toxic. Ammonia is non-combustible, remain are some combustible property. So non-combustible hydride is ammonia. Next question, 13th question. The substance that is a neutral to litmus. Given one, question number 13. You know that given option 1 is N2O3, another one is ammonia, P4O10, phosphine. Given. Neutral with litmus. With litmus, this is some acidic character, this is some acidic character, this is basic character, neutral character is only phosphine. Neutral character only phosphine. With litmus, neutral character element is phosphine. 4th optional. Next one. Which of the following is least stable? Given optionals: ammonium ion, stibinium ion, phosphine ion, arsine ion, hydrides ions. So more stable, least stable, top to bottom, its hydride stability generally decreases. So stibinium ions. Next, which statement is false here? Ammonia is Lewis acid. Ammonia molecule is trigonal planar. Ammonia is Lewis base called. So ammonia is Lewis base is correct. Ammonia molecule is trigonal planar. Wrong statement. Because we know that question number it is 15. Ammonia is false statement you want. Given optional second is ammonia is trigonal planar shape. Not possible. You know that ammonia has a lone pair three hydrogens. Lone pair with three hydrogen. Its shape is pyramidal. What is its shape? Pyramidal shape. Pyramidal means it has a three bond pairs and one lone pair. It is pyramidal. When trigonal planar is possible, when an element has a three atoms without lone pair, like this, it has a trigonal planar possible. You know, best example is BCl3, boron trichloride. So that is the question number 15. So false statement. He gave the second option, ammonia is trigonal planar. It is not a trigonal planar, it is a pyramidal shape. Next one, which is used to produce smoke screen? Already you know that. In smoke screen we used the calcium phosphide compound. Calcium phosphide compound. Its formula Ca3P2. Calcium phosphide compound. Its formula Ca3P2. Next question, 17th question. Which one of the following statement is correct with respect to basic character? So, in given optionals, correct statement with respect to basic character. Given optional fourth one is possible because phosphorus with alkyl molecule is greater than phosphine. Alkyl molecule is greater than phosphine. That is the correct answer. Next, question number 18. Which is in the decreasing order of boiling point in hydrides? In hydrides boiling point, stibinium is more, next ammonia, next arsine, next phosphine possible. It is the stibinium is more, stibinium, ammonia, arsine and phosphine. That is the boiling point, decreasing order of boiling point. Next one is question number 19, oxides topic. Question number 19 onwards, oxides. Already we know that oxides are many types. Nitrogen oxides are 5 possible. Nitrogen oxide 5, phosphorus oxide 2. So in this first question is amphoteric oxide among the following. Generally, you know that amphoteric oxide, which one behaves the both character? It is amphoteric oxide. You know amphoteric oxide. The amphoteric oxide generally possible in metalloids. What is the metalloids in this? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Arsenic is we know that metalloid. Metalloid compound can form a amphoteric. Metalloid means metallic and non-metallic nature. Amphoteric character means acidic and basic nature. So it is possible in arsenic compound, that is called AS2O3. Optional 1 is given N2O3. Optional 1, you know this is acidic oxide. Optional 2 is AS2O3. This is only amphoteric oxide. Optional 3 Bi2O3. Bi2O3 is some basic oxide. Next fourth one is nitrous oxide. This is a neutral oxide. This is the neutral oxide. This is acidic oxide. This is amphoteric oxide. Bi2O3 basic oxide, metal with oxygen, basic, non-metal with oxygen, acidic, metalloid with oxygen, amphoteric. Nitrous oxide, we know that in oxides compounds, nitrous and nitric oxides are neutral oxides. Very important point. So question number 19, what they want? Amphoteric oxide among the following means our answer is AS2O3. Next question, which of the following exist as a monomer molecules only? Monomer molecule only. Nitrogen 3 oxide, phosphorus 5 oxide, arsenic 3 oxide, antimony oxide. Nitrous 3 oxide means nitrogen oxidation number is 3. Nitrogen oxidation number is 3. This is very important commutative bit. You want in your question number 20, which of the following is monomer molecule means not converted into dimer? First one is nitrogen 3 oxide means N2O3 compound name. Second one is phosphorus 5 oxide. Phosphorus 5 oxide means P2O5. Next third one is arsenic 3 oxide AS2O3. Fourth one is antimony 5 oxide Sb2O3. In your question what he want? Only monomer. Only monomer is possible in nitrogen. Answer is this. Why not remain one? Because these are tetraatomicity. This one is dimer possible. It's dimer P4O10. It's dimer AS2O6. It's dimer Sb4O6. AS4O6. Dimers possible. The nitrogen atomicity is 2, so only same place. Phosphorus, arsenic, antimony atomicity is 4 possible. Atomicity is 4 possible. 4 possible but given is 2 only. So it's a dimer possible P4O10. It's a dimer possible AS4O6. It's a dimer possible Sb4O6. So these are dimers. Monomer is first optional. Why it is not possible? It no d orbital in their valency shell, so not convert into atomicity 4. Very important commutative bit. Next one, nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen 1 oxide is produced by. Nitrogen 1 oxide means nitrous oxide. Next question number is 21. Question number 21. In level 1, question number 21. In level 1, question number 21. So, you remember that level 1, question number 21. What he want in your level 1, question number 21? Nitrous oxide is produced by. Nitrogen oxide 1 means nitrous oxide. Nitrogen in bracket 1 oxide means nitrous oxide produced by. So you know that ammonium nitrate NH4NO3 heated, it can form nitrous oxide and H2O. Nitrous oxide is called, you know that, laughing gas. Nitrous oxide is called laughing gas. You know that. That laughing gas is prepared by the ammonium nitrate NH4NO3 ammonium nitrate. So question is, first of nitrogen 1 oxide is produced by thermal decomposition of ammonium nitrate. First optional is the correct optional, not remind one. Okay, very important commutative bit here. He called in your question nitrogen 1 oxide. Nitrogen 1 oxide meaning nitrogen oxidation number is 1. Here nitrogen oxidation number 1 because 2x plus oxen 1 into minus 2 is equal 0. 2x is equal to x is equal to 1. So nitrogen oxidation number 1 only possible N2O. That is question number 21. Next question number 22. In P4O10 the number of oxygen atoms bonded to each phosphorus atom. You know in last class it is completed P4O6 and P4O10. P4O6 and P4O10. Phosphorus surrounded by the P4O6 is surrounded by 3 oxygen atom. P4O10 is surrounded by the 4 oxygen atom. This one structure, we know that phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus oxygen, phosphorus oxygen, and also opposite phosphorus oxygen. These two opposite phosphorus oxygen. This is P4O6. It is phosphorus surrounded by oxygen 1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. But given one is P4O10. Another oxygen, it may be day2 bar or double bond O, any one possible, anyone. So in this phosphorus is surrounded by 4 oxygen atom. In P4O10, every phosphorus is surrounded by how many oxygen atom? 4 oxygen atoms. Next question 23. It is question number 22. 23. Which of the following oxide is brown colored gas? Brown colored gas is possible in NO2 gas. Brown color is possible in NO2 gas. Next question number 24. The gas is not having oxidize as well as bleaching properties is. Next question number 24. The gas not having oxidizing as well as bleaching property is. Oxidizing and bleaching property is possible in chlorine, ozone, sulfur dioxide, not in nitrous oxide. It is possible chlorine, ozone and sulfur dioxide, not in nitrous oxide. So question number 24, nitrous oxide is not possible. Nitrous oxide not possible. Next question number 25. P4O10 is the anhydride of the following compound. Question number 25. Question number 25. P4O10 is the anhydride of the following compound. So P4O10 anhydride compound he want. P4O10 which anhydride compound? You know that phosphoric acid H3PO4. H3PO4 heated anhydride, it can form P4O10 plus water possible. So, phosphoric acid anhydride, it can form P4O10. Already we know in previous classes, phosphorus acid anhydride, it can form P4O6 and water. Phosphorus acid P4O6, phosphoric acid P4O10. Very important commutative bits. Very important commutative bits. P4 phosphorus acid anhydride P4O6, phosphoric acid anhydride P4O10. That is question number 25. Question number 26. Which of the following trihalide gives unique product on hydrolysis? So, nitrogen trichloride behaves the hydrolysis reaction. Next question number 27. The element which gives explosive halide. You know that already NCl3 is the explosive compound. Question number 27. NCl3 is a explosive compound. NCl3 is hydrolysis property and NCl3 is a explosive compound. That is 27. Now question number 28. Which of the following is most stable? Most stable compound is NF3. NF3, it is most stable, so not hydrolyzed. NCl3 is hydrolyzed. NF3 is not hydrolyzed because so it is called most stable compound. That is question number 28. 29. NCl3PF5, NF5, why NF5 is impossible? Question number 29. Very important commutative bit. 29th question. 29th question, very important commutative bit. Given question is among the NCl3 PF5, NF5, NCl3, PF5, NF5. NF5 does not exist. Why? He called. You know, nitrogen can form NCl3, means nitrogen can form trihalides but not pentahalides. Because of the reason, small size, no valency, vacant valency electron in their valency shell, or no d orbital in their valency shell. No d orbital in their valence. Phosphorus, you know that phosphorus has PCl3, PCl5, means phosphorus has trihalide and pentahalides. Why? Phosphorus has a d orbital. You know that nitrogen atomic number 7, configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2d not possible. But phosphorus is, you know that 15, that is neon, 3s2, 3p3, 3d0, 3d orbital possible. So there is no d orbital, here d orbital. So this electron goes to d orbital, this pair 2, 3s2, 3p3, in this one electron goes to in this empty orbital. So it can form 5 bonds, 1 plus 3 plus 1, 5.